Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add color to your PowerPoint presentations and make your slides stand out. If you've ever felt that your slides look a little too plain or boring, this guide will help you transform them into something engaging and professional. So let's dive right in. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have a presentation you're working on, go ahead and open that. But if not, just start fresh by creating a new presentation. This way, you can experiment freely with different color options. Now, once your presentation is open, head over to the Design tab at the top menu. This tab controls the overall look and feel of your slides. You'll see lots of themes and design templates here, but don't worry, we're going to focus on the part that lets you actually customize the colors. On the right side of the Design tab, you'll notice a section called Variants. This is where the real magic happens. Click on this small drop-down arrow and from the menu, choose Colors. Here, PowerPoint will show you a variety of pre-made color schemes. These are perfect if you want a quick, professional look without having to choose every color yourself. But what if you want something unique? That's where customization comes in. From the Colors menu, click on Customize Colors. A window will open, and this is where you can get creative. You'll be able to change text colors, background shades, accent colors, and even the color of hyperlinks. As you make changes, PowerPoint will give you a live preview on the side so you can instantly see how your slides will look. Once you're happy with your custom palette, give your theme a name and save it. That way, not only will your current presentation use these colors, but you can also apply the same theme to future projects. It's a simple trick to keep your work consistent and polished. And just like that, you've successfully added color to your PowerPoint presentation. A little bit of color can go a long way. It keeps your audience interested, highlights key points, and makes your slides look more professional. So don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect match for your content. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you create more engaging and colorful presentations. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on PowerPoint and beyond.